15-3 Weather Lab. Here's Daniel's True View forecast.
Welcome back, everyone. A rare dry day. It's been a really wet July so far, and we are finally trying to get caught up on the lack of rain that we had earlier on this summer. Today we got a little bit of sunshine, a chance to try and dry out the gardens a little bit before more rainfall sets in tomorrow. Let's start with a look at the satellite and radar picture. We still have showers ongoing across the Gulf of Mexico, across the Gulf Coast as well. You see showers out over towards Florida. They stretch all the way up through the southeast, up into north Louisiana, all the way through to Dallas. A couple scattered showers along the sea breeze, and notice that the showers just kind of follow the coastline. That's those sea breeze showers that we see basically day in and day out. Most of us stayed dry today. Now we are starting to see a few showers popping up across Acadiana. We'll take a closer look at the radar here in just a moment. Still dry in Lafayette, for the most part dry all along I-10 if you're getting ready to commute back home. You've got showers to your north. Some are going to drift out, especially in West Acadiana, and it looks like the commute should be okay. Quick look at your radar here. Here's what we've got going on here a little closer to home. Ville Platte, some showers just off to your north. Those are going to drift into the area. They do look like they're trying to fizzle. Then south, this is pushing into the Eunice area, pushing into North Acadiana, may clip St. Landry Parish there, and then a couple of showers that are just kind of drifting around the New Iberia region. Not going anywhere in particular. There's no real steering mechanism for these. The winds have been very, very light, so nothing is really guiding these showers. Now, you do have an outflow boundary right here, this line, and as this heads its way southeast, this may spark a couple of showers. You can see that it did so out over in Jefferson Davis Parish. That's what's responsible for the shower that's popping up there. So we'll keep an eye on that. Wouldn't be surprised if we get a couple more isolated showers to pop up as we go through the next hour or so through the rest of the evening. But for the most part, it is going to be a quiet night tonight. Really not anything going on. And certainly once the sun sets, these showers kind of lose steam. It really needs the heat to get going. So quiet all the way through the night and into early parts of tomorrow morning. Now, the way it's gone time and time again so far this month, and what we're likely looking at again for tomorrow, is a quiet start to the day. Showers start to build up by lunchtime, and then scattered showers, a few thunderstorms in the area. Sort of late morning, early afternoon, you'll start to see the earlier showers popping up. They continue through into the evening. Looks like models hinting maybe a little bit worse out over towards the east. So if you travel back and forth between Lafayette and Baton Rouge with great frequency, you could run into some worse showers down through the capital city, maybe down closer towards Morgan City or along or eastwards of the basin. But I do think that there's enough of a push and enough moisture and enough of a disturbance. We kind of kick up plenty of showers across Acadiana. We'll go 50% on your rain chances tomorrow. They'll last on through into the evening. Those showers that get going out towards the east, they push their way westwards, so they may last a little bit longer into the night tomorrow as well. A couple thunderstorms thrown in the mix as well. Getting onwards into Thursday, a similar setup. Once again, widely scattered showers across the area. Plenty of moisture here across the region. We'll see that will be reflected in the rain chances that we have both Wednesday and Thursday, going at about a 50% chance for those showers. Again, I think it's a little bit later on in the day on Wednesday where we see them, and then some earlier showers on Thursday, clearing up a little bit by Friday. Still scattered rainfall across the area Friday, but down more or less to a more manageable 40%. Now, we've had a very wet July so far. We only got about 2.5 inches worth in June. We've already surpassed that. We've almost doubled that number so far in July. Our July average actually over 5 inches, over 5.5. So we're pretty close to our monthly average already. And this is how dry we were earlier on in the year. We're still 10 inches below average, even with a very wet July. Both May and June were incredibly dry across Acadiana. Even April, it didn't get a whole lot of rainfall. Temperature-wise, late tonight, we're down into the 80s. I think we push upper 70s for the low. That's going to be about it. Warm start to the day tomorrow. Temperatures probably getting up to around 90. Really depends on when those showers and thunderstorms do start to set in. If you see a little more sunshine earlier on in the day and it kind of lasts since early parts of the afternoon, likely hitting 90. If you see the clouds start to build up sort of mid-morning, early afternoon, you'll probably stay in the upper 80s. Still, though, warm and muggy. A little bit cooler tomorrow night. Cool, kind of a relative term, though, mid-70s as opposed to upper 70s. And we'll see the upper 80s again for Thursday afternoon with those showers. 77 degrees for your overnight low tonight. Keeping a 10% chance of rain going for the evening. Again, we still see some showers popping up. They're not too bad. They shouldn't be too bad the rest of the evening either. Up to about 90 tomorrow. A cloudy afternoon, early morning sunshine, and those showers could linger on through into the evening, could even hang around a little later on at night, and then more or less scattered showers starting Friday through next week. I think next week could be a little drier.
All right.